What's good, Pyros? It's Hydro. We're about a month away from the 4th, so I wanted to do a stash update. Now, as you can see, we got a lot more since the last video I've done. So I guess I'm going to get right into it, starting on the cake we got today. Got the 88 shot. Just says cake on the box, but this is the Pyro Mafia 88 shot rewrap. Very nice. Got it on a nice deal. Got Nitro Nights, 250 shot 2-1. Couldn't pass up on that. Got the Cookie Monster, Vato Loco, 300 shot. I'm pretty sure it's a rewrap of Pyro. I'm not sure of that though. Got the Hustler 2-1, 84 shot banger. Very nice 2-1. Got Vicious, 95 shots. Dog smoking a joint. Did a demo on this, I think last week. Looked very nice in person. Recommend to get a case of those if you guys can. Got the Master Never Ending Show. This cake receives a lot of hate, but man, come on. Got the Cholo 72 shot multi-break 2-inch by Vato Loco. Could not pass up on this one. Very heavy. Case of Master Gold Classic. My buddy Trip Away Pyro brought one over so we can demo it. Appreciate that. Very nice cake. Look at that. Got Rage 280 shot. NOS 2.0. Way better in my opinion. Red, white, and blue. Color Infinity, 340 shots. Certified banger. Enforcer Nomad, 300 shot fan salute cake. Pretty hyped about that one. Got the Gangsta 150 shot 2-1. Very nice. As you can see, we still got the Hysteria Mania assortment and the Maiden. Picked up a case of Ice. Kiss My Ass Bitch. Mine Eraser. And Patriotic Thunder. Very nice. Kiss My Ass Bitch is the all color, all thunder master rewrap. I'm pretty sure Mine Eraser is a Time Seeker rewrap, just a couple little different colors in it. Still got the X Cake, Big Pimp, Here We Go. As you can see, we picked up a Cash King by Vato Loco. Cash Game rewrap. Might be fused a little bit quicker though. Picked up a Salute to Blue. Had to get this one. This one lit up like in 1 second last year. All 400 shots in one go. It was insane. Hopefully it does the same exact thing too. I love fuse jumps. Still got the Hurricane. Picked up a case of Bozo Bombs. First one to demo. Very nice. Extremely loud. A lot louder than Cracker Jacks. Did a demo on the Chronic. Very nice little 66 shot banger. Very nice breaks for how small the cake is. Still got the case of Cracker Jacks. Got a case of Bling, Jester. Got another Hurricane. Still got the 3 masterpieces. Master July 4th. Still got the Pac-Man, Vengeance, Pyro 300 shot, like I said. Might be a rewrap of this. I don't know. I don't mind having 2 of them though. Got the Midnight Madness. Everybody loves that one. Lucky to have it. Got the Holy Diver, Mastermind. Got 2 cases Extreme. Like I said, only 1 case is in here though. Got this assortment. Very nice 49 shot bangers. Got the Night Gallery. I haven't seen anybody else with this this year. I don't know if they stopped making them. I have no clue. Something like that. Got the Nookie. 3 of them. Still got the big top. Fat Rat. 3-inch peanut. Crazy banger. Really hyped about that one. The big subwoofer. Duality. And SpaceX. So yeah. We are loaded this year. A lot of bangers. But yeah, that's the stash of 2026. Hopefully you guys like it. Like and subscribe. See you on the 4th.